Welcome, my name is Mike Bonifetti, and it is my pleasure to introduce an exciting and futuristic company by the name of Space Exploration Technologies, otherwise known as SpaceX. SpaceX's mind-boggling ultimate goal is to enable people to live on other planets. Pictured here is a young, brilliant man by the name of Elon Musk with the Dragon module. Elon had the desire and drive to found SpaceX and make the launching of private rockets and spacecraft a reality. Elon Musk is the CEO and chief designer at SpaceX and is responsible for overseeing the development of their rockets and spacecrafts. He also plays a key role in the planning of space exploration to other planets. Additionally, he is the CEO and product architect at Tesla Motors, where he oversees product development and design. The goal of Tesla is to create a sustainable energy supply that can power electric vehicles like the electric Tesla Roadster. They have manufactured the S and X models that are pictured in the next slide. The Tesla Roadsters are pictured here. Model X certainly has a few unique looking design traits, while Model S comes in a sedan and convertible. It is easy to see what a pivotal role Elon Musk is playing in trying to take man to the next step in the fields of space travel and ground transportation. Here is a picture of Gwen Shotwell, the president of SpaceX. She received her bachelor's and master's degrees with honors from Northwestern University in mechanical engineering and applied mathematics. Gwen Shotwell joined SpaceX in 2002 and is currently responsible for their day-to-day operations. She manages all customer and strategic relations as well as company growth. She built the Falcon Vehicle Family Manifest to nearly 50 launches representing $5 billion in revenue. Gwen has over 20 years in the aeronautics field and is currently serving on the advisory council at Northwestern's McCormick School of Engineering. SpaceX is a privately owned company. The ownership is divided amongst majority and minority owners. The management employees of the company are the majority shareholders. They have accepted investor funding from Founders Fund, Draper Fisher Jurvetson, and Valor Equity Partners. Here is an overview of the company's organizational chart with Elon Musk shown at the top. His number 2 is Gwen Shotwell, followed by an array of vice presidents overseeing the various departments within the company. SpaceX's primary goal is to revolutionize space transportation by designing, manufacturing, and launching their private fleet of launch vehicles into space with cargo and people. SpaceX's founding principles are that simplicity and reliability are closely coupled. They use this principle to focus on developing their rockets and spacecrafts quickly and test them rigorously while maintaining tight control over the quality and cost of the finished product. SpaceX has roughly 2,000 employees working at various facilities throughout the U.S. The headquarters is in Hawthorne, California. They have launch facilities in Cape Canaveral, Florida, and Vandenberg Air Force Base in California. Their rocket development facility is in McGregor, Texas, and they have corporate offices in Houston, Texas, Chantilly, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, commonly known as NASA, is partners with SpaceX. They are headquartered in Washington, D.C., and their well-known launch facilities are located in Cape Canaveral, Florida. NASA consists of 3 principles: aeronautics, human exploration and operations, and developing science to explore the Earth, solar system, and universe beyond. NASA charts the best route of discovery and reaps the benefits of Earth and space exploration for all of society. SpaceX has achieved so many milestones since they were founded in 2002. Each flight made history due to the fact that SpaceX is a privately owned company. Things have gotten very interesting since December 2010 when the Falcon 9 carried the Dragon into orbit and it was successfully recovered. The Dragon then made history by becoming the first commercial spacecraft to make a round-trip journey to the International Space Station. It is also noted that SpaceX began to plan human space travel in August 2012. Here are images of 2 of SpaceX's vehicles. The Falcon 1 was the first vehicle that SpaceX designed and is their flagship. The Dragon in essence is similar to what NASA used for the Apollo missions and has been designed to carry cargo as well as human beings. Pictured here is the Falcon 9 and the Falcon Heavy. The Falcon 9 is the successor to the Falcon 1 and is the vehicle that sends the Dragon into orbit. The Falcon Heavy is designed to carry heavy payloads. SpaceX's Falcon 1 is the first privately owned spacecraft to achieve Earth's orbit. It provides breakthrough advances in reliability, cost, flight environment, and time to launch. It uses a two-stage rocket that has only one engine per stage and only one stage separation event per flight. Here is an image of the Falcon 1 coming off of the launch pad. The Falcon 9 is the successor to the Falcon 1 rocket. It broke history when it launched the Dragon capsule to the International Space Station in May of 2012. It has a wider diameter than the Falcon 1 rocket, uses triple redundancy flight computers, and uses an inertial navigation system that has a GPS overlay for additional orbit insertion accuracy. Finally, SpaceX has put a first-class avionics system in each of their satellites that is typically only installed in multi-billion-dollar satellites. Here is an excellent picture of the Falcon 9 launching off of the pad with SpaceX's logo emblazoned on the side. The Falcon Heavy is designed to be the world's most powerful rocket. It is a heavy launch vehicle that can carry up to 53 metric tons into low Earth orbit and generates 3.8 million pounds of thrust. The propellant cross-feeding engine is the first of its type, and it is designed to meet NASA's human rating standards with the expectations it will one day take cargo and humans to other worlds. Here is the Falcon Heavy, the most powerful rocket in the world, roaring off the launch pad. The Dragon spacecraft is similar in look to the lunar module and is also a reusable spacecraft. It has two compartments, one being a pressurized capsule that can hold both cargo and crew, and the other being an unpressurized trunk where only cargo is stored. The Dragon has a fully autonomous rendezvous and docking system that can be manually overridden when it is carrying as many as 7 passengers. Here is the Dragon docking with the space station on SpaceX's most recent trip. The future of SpaceX looks bright. They already have 11 scheduled cargo supply missions to the International Space Station. SpaceX also has several planned satellite launch and deploy missions planned for private organizations. NASA is continuing to research, develop, and plan missions to the International Space Station, as well as the possibility of Mars. SpaceX's ultimate goal, as stated, is to enable people to live on other planets. This is a lofty goal, but a virtuous one, and I wish SpaceX the best in taking mankind out into uncharted territory and boldly going where no humans have gone before. If you would like to view the historic Falcon 9 launch that occurred on May 22, 2012, that sent the Dragon spacecraft to the International Space Station, please note the below web address. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and I thank you for watching.